Stop being ignored. Consistency is your secret weapon. Hey friend, I want to be real with you for a minute. If you're struggling to get people to take you seriously, whether that's your audience, your customers, or just anyone watching your business journey, I get it. It is frustrating. You put yourself out there, you post once or twice, and then nothing. Crickets. No engagement, no trust, no momentum. Maybe you think, why bother? Nobody's paying attention anyway. Or worse, you feel like you're invisible, like your message doesn't matter. You wonder if you even have what it takes to make this work. I've been there too, feeling stuck, wondering if I'm just spinning my wheels. But here's the truth that I learned that changed everything. If you want people to take you seriously, you have to be consistent. Sounds simple, right? But so many people try to show up just once in a while, posting here, disappearing there, and they wonder why no one trusts them. You cannot show up big one day and then ghost for 3 days or a week or even longer. Consistency is the secret sauce, the glue that builds the trust, connection, and credibility. When you're consistent, people start to expect you. They start to rely on you. And slowly but surely, that's when real relationships and real business start happening. So what does consistency look like? For me, it means showing up every day with something real, something simple. I don't have to be perfect or post fancy content. What matters is showing up with intention, following a system that breaks things down into manageable daily steps. For example, I create 3 short videos in 30 minutes, something quick, something authentic. And then I spend another 30 minutes responding to comments and questions. Then I spend about an hour posting free ads. 2 focused hours a day, no overwhelm, no burnout, just steady, deliberate action that builds trust. And I promise you, it works because it shows you care enough to be there consistently. Now imagine what happens when people start to expect you. They see your face, they hear your voice, they feel your message. They remember you, they reach out, they want to buy from you and support you and share your content because you're showing up. Not just when you feel like it, but every day. That's how you build a community. That's how you grow a business. That's how you turn quiet followers into loyal fans and customers. And the best part? You don't need a huge following or fancy tools. Just you and a commitment to show up regularly. If you're ready to stop fading in and out and start building real momentum, comment ready below. I'll send you my exact step-by-step blueprint for how I keep consistent without overwhelm. Let's do this together because the world needs to see what you've got. Your next chapter starts now.